Magandang araw mga kasabit-sabit. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount Makulot kung saan kaya sa tinawag na Mount Makulot dahil sa taas nito may parlor kung saan maraming nagpapakulot. Tapos mula noon tinawag na siyang Mount Makulot. Actually ngayon marami na ring umaakyat dito na straight hair. So baka balang araw tawagin na siyang Mount, anong Tagalog na street?
Matuwid.
Mount
Matuwid.
Tuwid? Mount Planchado. Ganun. Mount Planchado na sa balang araw. At ngayon, aalayan ko kayo ng awitin para sa ikaliligaya ng lahat ng mga kasamahan ko dito. Kaway kayo sa camera. Camera!
Ay, kaway!
Ganyan talaga pag concert. Anong kakantahin ko po? Hindi nga, kakanta na lang daw ako eh.
Ano bang gusto mo? Kung anong napupusuan mo?
Wait. Adlib muna. So, kanina habang nasa trail kami, marami kami nakilalang magagandang nilalang. Meron doon, dalawa lang sila. Sabi ko nga sumabay na sila sa amin, kaya lang mahihain sila. Tapos parang iniiwasan nila kami, kaya wag na lang. Anong kakantahin ko?
Actually, ikaw lang iniiwasan
Ako
nila.
lang ba iniiwasan nila? Uy, naka-shades nga ako, hindi nila nakikitang hindi ko sila tinitignan.
Kahit ano.
Dead air. Dead air.
Pangit?
Dead Air 1098, cut na yung video. Ano yun?
Kanta na.
You give your hand to me and then you say hello and I can hardly speak. My heart is beating so, and anyone can tell. You know me very well, but you don't know me. No, you don't know the one who dreams of you at night, who likes to kiss your lips and longs to hold you tight. To you I'm just a friend, that's all I've ever been, but you don't know me. Nasaan doon? For I never knew the art of making love, though my heart breaks with love for you. Afraid and shy, I let my chance go by, that chance that you might love me too. You gave your hands to me, and then you say goodbye. I watch you walk away beside your lucky guy. No, you'll never know the one who love you so, 'cause you don't know me. You'll never know the boy who loved you so, 'cause you don't know me.
Okay.